So hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today's lesson is all about the arithmetic sequence. So ano ibig sabihin ng arithmetic sequence? Ang sequence of numbers that the difference between the consecutive terms is constant. So ang ibig sabihin yung arithmetic sequence is the difference. Kung anong difference between the two terms. So para makakuha ng formula to, so, ang formula po is A sub n equals to A1 plus open parenthesis n minus 1 close parenthesis times d. Where ang n, yan ang nth term. Yung A sub 1, yung first term. Tapos yung d, yung common difference. So, ito po yung pinaka target or yung aim sa arithmetic sequence, yung common difference. Okay, so magsimula tayo. So bibigay kita ng unang example. I have here the numbers 9, 13, 17, blank, blank, blank. So, paano makukuha yung terms na yan? So, una maintindihan mo yung unang dalawang terms. So, 13 minus 9 is 4. So, 4 ang ilalagay. So, ang 4 magiging common difference. Okay, so, let's start answering. So, again, we will use this. And instead of sub n, magiging sub number na yan. So, ibig sabihin, fourth term. So, a sub 4, tapos yung a sub 1 mo, which is 9, plus, yung nth mo is 4, minus 1 is equal, and then times 4. Kasi ang 4 ang common difference. So, don't forget to apply the PEMDAS. So, kung ano, dapat makikita mo yung PEMDAS video sa channel ko dyan. So, kopyahin mo yung 9 plus 4 minus 1 is 3. Then times 4 is 12. At tapos i-plus mo naman, that's 21. So 21 yung tamang sagot. So ilagay mo dyan sa blank 21. Next naman po is the fifth term. So papalit na lang po yung number, maging 5 na yan. Again, don't forget to apply the PEMDAS. So, instead of 4, we place into 5. So, 9 plus, open parenthesis of 5 minus 1 times 4. So, 5 minus 1 is 4 times 4. So, 5 minus 1 muna. So, a parenthesis muna. So, 4. So, magiging 16 na yan. 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. So, dapat ilagay po sa blanco ang 25. Last is the sixth term. So 6 minus 1 is 5 times, tapos times 4 is 20. So 20 plus 9 is 29. So don't forget yung dapat intindihan yung mga terms na yan. So kasi bibigay kita ng mga mas mahirap na activities sa mga sources na yan. So huwag kang limutan, intindihin mo yung sequence para mas maganda maintindihan mo yung mga arithmetic sequence. And by the way, pwede siyang tinawag pong difference series kasi puro difference lang, minusan mo lang yung second term sa first term. Okay? So, I have here 3, 8, 13, 18, and so on. So, ang hanap mo dyan ay ang 8th term, 11th term, and 15th term. Ginawa ko to sa higher na terms na yan para mahirapan yun, para mas challenging yun. So again, we'll use this, copy the formula. A sub n equals to a sub 1 plus the parenthesis of n minus 1 times d. Ulitin ko po, before you do the terms, kailangan intindihin mo kung anong common difference nila. So, ang difference po, 8 minus 3 is 5. Lagay mo dyan 5, tapos magsimula po. So, replace from n to 8. Ay, wait lang. Three, lagay mo dyan 3 plus the parentheses of 8 minus 1 times 5. So, kailangan mag-apply the PEMDAS rule. So, 8 minus 1 is 7 times 5 is 35. So, the answer is 38. Lagay na lang ko po yung mga answers dun sa mga problems. So, 38. Next naman po is 11. So again, 3 plus 11 minus 1 times 5. Nilagay po lang sa parenthesis para hindi malilito. So, 11 minus 1 is 10 times 5, 50. So, 3 plus 50, 53 ang final sagot. Last one is the 15th term. So, nilagay ko lang dyan, 3 plus the parenthesis of 15 minus 1 times 5. So, dapat alamin mo yung 14 times table. Okay, so So, 14 times 5, dapat alamin mo, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. 70. And the final answer is 73. Lagay mo lang dyan, 73. Babalik lang po muna ha, para makaayos ng problema. Babalik lang. Let's take a little break muna para sa next lesson, okay? So, okay, welcome back guys. So, next naman ang discuss ko sa iyo is the geometric sequence. So, anong ibig sabihin ng geometric sequence? Ito po yung pinag-multiply by nag-divide by ratio kasi tinawag pong geometric sequence also known as the common ratio. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng common ratio? Ibig sabihin po yung ano yung tinimes mo sa by terms na yun. So, ang formula for this one is a sub n equals to a sub 1 times r. Ginilagay ko yung tuldok kasi is multiplication raised to n minus 1. So, I have here So, I have here these numbers 3, 9, 27, and 81. So, ang hahanapin mo na lang po ay ang hanapin lang po dyan yung 7th term, the 9th term, and the 12th term. So, again, ang formula po gagamitin ay a sub n equals to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. So, una po, ulitin ko, just like the arithmetic sequence, kailangang intindihin kung ano ang common ratio. So 3 minus 9 divided by 3 is 3. So, ang lalagay nyo dyan, yung common ratio. So, solve po dito. Start with the 7th term. A sub 7 equals to A sub 1 is 3. Then times R, which is 3, and then 7 minus 1. So, intindihin mo kung ilang beses kasi exponential to. So, sa next video na naman po sa math, tuturuan ko po sa iyo sa mga law of exponents. So kung hindi mo alam, sa susunod naman po kung ano ibig sabihin ng law of exponents. So, una po dyan, 3 raised to 7 minus 1. So, don't forget to apply the PEMDAS. Which is 3 times 729 and so the final answer is 2,187. Next naman po ay yung 9th term. Next po is the 9th term. So, 3 times 3 raised to 9 minus 1. So, 3 times 3 is raised to 8. 6,561. So the final answer is 19,683. Ay, duling ako eh. Sorry guys. So, ito yung final answer po. Last one is the 12th term. So, kung mas madali sa calculator, dapat 3 times 3, then put the square the exponent function, and then put the parentheses, okay? Para hindi mahirapan. So, last one is the 12th term. So, 3 times 3 raised to 12 minus 1. So, 3 times 3 is raised to 11. And then 3 times 3 raised to 11 is... Ay, nawala ulit. Sorry. Lagay ko muna yung equal sign kasi baka hindi makasya. So, 3 raised to 11, 17, 1,700, 177,000 pala, 147. So, i-times mo na lang ulit. So, ang 12th term is 531,441. By the way, guys, kung ito ang arithmetic sequence kanina ay different series, ito po, ratio series. Kasi common ratio ang hinahanap. So, maraming pong salamat sa tagapakinig and sana makatulong to kung anong ibig sabihin ng arithmetic and geometric. Paalam po!